You can also embed out your Google form inside an existing web base if you know how to work around with HTML codes. So to do that, you need to click on the send button and go to the embed section right here. And here you can set the width and height for the embedding. So I'm just going to go around and set it to, let's say, 600 pixel right here. So this is going to be 600 pixel by let's say 400 pixel right here. So according to that, an HTML embed code will be generated, which you need to copy out right here. So let me just go around outside right here onto my desktop where I have my file right here. So let me just go around right here and open this out, and here you can see that this web page simply has something like welcome to YouTube and keep on learning. So I can go around and add in the HTML tag that I copied over here. So I'm going to right click over here and then open this out with Notepad, and here you can see the HTML tag. So I'm just going to go around and add the iframe tag, that is the HTML tag that I copied out over here. So once I do that, I can go around, close it and save it. So if I were to double click now, what happens is that there's a gap with the Google form, as you can see right here. So it is there in the 600 by 400 like pixel area right here, and you can see that the form is interactive, and that is how you can embed form in any web pages as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.